My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's NicoleK, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. And yeah, so I'm just gonna wear it all day, see how it wears, because my skin is oily. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video and see how well this foundation holds up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started putting this on. I already did my eyes, so that way I can just put the foundation on, because we're mainly focusing on the foundation, but I'm filming later, so that's why my makeup's a bit colorful. But let's go ahead and get started. Again, we are using the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation, and this is what the bottle looks like. And it is a brand new foundation, so I'm going to do my skin how I normally will. I'm kind of going to use the normal stuff that I use. That way I can get a full review on how I really like it and how it works with everything else that I normally use. I use the No Pore Blem primer. So that's what I'm going to do. My hair is drying, so that's why it's not fixed. Because I like my glitter all over. I like my hair to air dry, so. And this is really soft. I really like it. Normally I don't do my eyebrows until after foundation, but I just wanted everything to be done so that we can focus on the foundation. Sephora sponge, and pull my sleeves up. And then I'm just going to put some of this on my hand, and it's got a little squirter top here, which is really helpful. And I like this. I like having a pump. I feel like it's easier to get. So I'm going to do 1, 2, might be a little much. And my sponge is damp. And I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. So I bought this online. I wasn't able to go into the store and try out foundations and make sure it's going to be the perfect color, but it's looking like it's actually really perfect. So I pretty much know what color, what color I'm used to having and stuff, and like the names. And the color I got it in the 210 medium sand. There was like 2 colors I was so undecided about, and I'm like, okay, let's just go ahead and go with this one. It seems like it'll be light enough. But by looking at this right now, it looks like it is a full foundation. It already looks super flawless. So I'm excited because I have been looking for a new foundation. And I've tried a couple, and there was just some that just weren't working for me. So this one already looks beautiful. So that makes me excited. Okay, let's get this all over the face. Now my main concern is going to be creasing. I cannot stand creasing around my mouth and my nose. So that will really kind of be that and getting oily. I normally do 2 coats under my eyes, especially because I don't really use concealer. So I normally just do 2 coats. It did oxidize just a little bit, so that's really good. That means it's really true to its color, and I feel like it looks pretty good. It matches. And I'm going to set. And I am using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set this. And I'm taking my brush, and I'm going to just dip into there, tap off any excess. Just set that really soft under the eye. And it doesn't feel like it's matte. It doesn't say that it's matte. It says oil free, which I have oily skin, so I always look for something that's oil free or, you know, matte. Long wear, weightless, full coverage. So definitely full coverage. I've been trying out a lot of foundations. A lot of them have not been full coverage. Even I tried out this Stella, which I'm not doing a review on this Stella, but I tried out this Stella Stay All Day, and it is not full coverage. It kind of breaks apart. Like, you can see it around my chin starting to like separate. So I do not like that. And I don't see this happening with this. And I am just going to kind of give it all over a set. And then I'm going to apply my powders. Apply the rest of my face, my contour and blush. So, and we'll kind of see. So this, I do have to set it. I like foundations where it's kind of matte already, but it's okay because, you know, I won't look so dry. Which sometimes the matte foundations tend to make me look a little powdery, a little dry. And I just use a spray after, and that really helps with me not looking like I am completely matte. So just kind of give this, I'm doing a light set. I'm not like heavy powder. And let's go ahead and get my contour here, which is the Milani in the 05. I'm just going to get my brush in there. Kind of heavy contour today because we're filming, so. Milani, and this is their 3-pack blush. This is 01 Flowers of Love, and I had a hard decision to choose between these two, but these are the colors that I picked. Super pretty. So I kind of just will run my brush along these two, or sometimes just this one. I'm going to take my sponge again, and I'm going to dip it into my powder. Here. And then I'm going to bake around my nose. And while we're waiting for that to bake, I am going to do my lips. Okay, so as you can see, I finished my makeup. I wiped off all my baking powder. I did my lips. I added some highlight. And the highlight I'm using is the Revolution Strobe. That's what I use. So just to finish off my makeup like I normally do. Oh yeah, and I curled my hair. My face still seems to be pretty good after having that heat really close to my face. But normally what I do is I use the Olay Mist Spray. And that's if I feel like my face is too powdery, too dry, which doesn't have an opt-in, but it does get like too powdery. And I don't like that powder finish. So I am going to just spray that kind of dry. And I do like, I'm trying to get out of the whole like matte finish foundations, everything. I want to look not massively dewy or oily because I get that naturally, but I just want to have a glow and not be so dry. So I'm really hoping that this foundation is going to be my new favorite, but I can already tell that I love the formula, but we will see how it sets because that will be the game changer for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear this all day. I'll kind of check in midday. It is about 10 in the morning, so I have filming to do. I have to go to town and get a bunch of groceries, so I'll kind of check in midday, and then we'll check in before I go to bed. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. Okay, so I'm checking back in. It is now about 6 o'clock. We got busy filming. We went to town and did all of our grocery shopping for the week and everything else, which took plenty of hours. But my makeup to me still seems about the same. Just kind of where I put the highlight, I know like right here it kind of looks a little bit oily. But everything else, like, I think it still looks pretty good. I can see it kind of sinking into like the creases here. It's kind of started to separate a little bit right here, a little bit of my smile lines, but nothing like too major. I think like the overall look of it, like around my eyes and under my eyes, everything, like my face where there's no creases. Other than that, I think it looks really, really good, and I don't feel sticky. It still feels very like how I set it and how I wanted it to be throughout the day. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just take my powder brush and I'm just going to kind of go over the places where I think I'm a little bit oily. So like here, right here, which I did kind of make my cheeks a little bit shiny. So part of that is not even oil, it's just how I did my highlight. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this, not really setting it, I'm just taking a brush. Whatever powder was left on this brush is what I'm kind of setting it with. And we're gonna call that good. I don't feel any type of way about it. Would I wear it, continue to wear it? We'll find out at the end. So we're gonna have dinner. We're going to finish laundry and a couple things because today is Sunday. So go finish a couple things like that, and I need to go get some editing done. I have like 4 videos I need to finish editing, so I'm a little behind. But yeah, so yeah, it's about 10:20. And I've had this makeup on literally all day. The only thing I can say about it is that I noticed it did get oily more here, and I don't know if that's just from me applying the highlight right there. But and around my chin, it did start to break apart a little bit, and around my nose, so it did kind of broke apart here and kind of here, but I think it still looks really, really good, and like even like the side and everything still looks really beautiful. So I personally will keep wearing it. I don't like that it break apart here and kind of around my nose area, but it could just be that's how my skin wants to be. I don't know. But it is now time to get ready for bed. I am so tired, and I'm gonna go wash all this off and go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!